Hello, this is my website in Laravel, my PHP website. Here you can see my homepage with the background, the tables, the Titron, and the navbar. They are all from Bootstrap, so I included Bootstrap into my code. Laravel makes use of MVC. In the MVC in Laravel, the model is the permanent data storage for a website, which we can see here. So this is the model which is stored inside a view. The view requests the data from the model and displays the data to the user. So this is the model data inside a view, and the controller handles the requests, updates, and updates the model. So if I would want to update this model, I would click on here after writing a post. So in MVC, the user uses the controller to either create a post or delete a post. The controller then manipulates the model here, which then updates the view, this page, which then is displayed back to the user. MVC is a popular framework because it separates business logic, presentation, and the data store. Now, after talking about MVC, let's go through some of the CRUD components of my website. So, from the get-go, if we click on Xbox, you can see this is reading the data from the database. So this is the R in CRUD. And if I actually try to add some to the database, 1, 2, 3, it will actually let me add, and it will actually make me log in first. So if I log in, I am now logged in. Now I should be able to post. So 1, 2, 3, submit comment to thread, and you can see I have now logged in, and this is my new post. And if I want to edit or delete the post, I can just click on here, and to edit it, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will now use the controller to update the post. So update comment, and we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you want to delete it, click on this button again and press delete. Here you can see that each post has a date and time and associated user. So if I log out now and log in with another user, you will be able to see another post by a different user. Okay, so let's log out. And actually, let's register another user. So we'll just call him Kevin. Email address kevin@hotmail.com. This is using the built-in Laravel login. I didn't create my own as it was too time-consuming. I'll set password and register. And I am now logged in as Kevin. So if I now make a new post, so if I go to Xbox and I create a new post, hello, my name is Kevin, you can see that he has added this post and the post is associated with Kevin. You may be wondering about these extra links. These currently do not do nothing and just go to pages. What my original plan was to have a different table in each page, but the assignment spec stated you only needed one, so I just kept it in the Xbox page. So you've now seen the CRUD functions of my website and the login function of my website, as well as registration. If I want to search for something, all I use goes to the search bar up here, and let's say I want to search the number 2. This will search the post, and it has produced all the items that contain the number 2. So now I have shown CRUD, search functions. I've talked about how MVC works, and I've also talked about the login in Laravel. Why in Laravel, when you're creating the model, it is created through migrations, which is usually found in the database/migrations folder. And then to access the model, the controller folder below HTTP contains the code relating to the defined routes. Then each method corresponds to a route. So creating a post is a different route. Editing and deleting is another route as well, and then a login page would be another route. To define routes in Laravel, you have to use the routes directing, which maps HTTP requests and where the controller code is defined. There can be multiple requests to the same route if the HTTP webs are different. And the templates which can be used for views are found in the resources/views folder. The The templating language in Laravel is actually Blade, which provides basic programming constructs.